Polynomials. A polynomial is a function of the form p of x is a0 plus a1x plus a2x squared plus a3x cubed and so on. The general term is a(n)x to the n, but they potentially continue on forever. The various a's that you can see here are constants. So this might be 3, and this one might be -2, and the next one might be 1, and the next one might be -5, or something like that. All the powers of x are positive integers, unless you think of the constant term being a0 x to the 0, and of course we know that x to the 0 is 1. But what I mean by that is that no polynomial has negative powers or square roots or anything of that type. A linear function is simply a polynomial in which a2 is equal to a3 and so on. They're all 0. So you can think of a linear as just being something like 3 plus 2x plus 0x squared and so on, with all of those other constants being 0. A quadratic function is a polynomial in which a3 upwards, they're all 0. And remember, for a quadratic, we've mentioned this a few times, a2 cannot be 0. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power on a non-zero term. Therefore, a quadratic is of degree 2, because that's the highest power we have. Note, numbers are simply polynomials for which all of the a's from 1 upwards are 0. This is an important point, as we will discuss in the next section. So numbers, they're just polynomials.